morning, Huda Beauty. Angga speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. May I speak to Mr. Brian, please?
May I know who I'm speaking with, please?
I'm Rizka Camila from L'Oreal Company.
Alright, Miss Camila, would you mind waiting, please? I'll check if Mr. Brian is available.
Alright.
Thank you for waiting, Miss Camila, but I'm afraid Mr. Brian is not available at the moment. He's still on leave. Would you like to leave a message or call him back later?
I would like to leave a message. Please inform him that I would like to discuss a promotion event. It will be held on Friday at 1 p.m. in Hilton Hotel, Seoul, Jakarta. Please inform him to call me back as soon as possible.
May I have your number, please?
Sure, my phone number is 085697260979.
Alright, Miss Camila, let me confirm your message. You would like to discuss a promotion event which will be held on Friday at 1 p.m. at Hilton Hotel, South Jakarta. And you would like Mr. Brian to call you back in 0856-9726-0979. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Alright, I'll deliver the message as soon as possible. Is there anything else I could help you?
No, thank you for your help.
Thank you for calling. Good afternoon. Have a nice day.
Come in.
Excuse me, Mr. Brian. I'd like to give you the message from Ms. Rizka from L'Oreal Company.
Alright, thank you very much.
Thank you. May I go back to my desk?
Sure.
Thank you.